Okay, this has always been one of my favorite safes. Always endorsed it. Always raved about it. Told my students about it. Told everybody about it. It's a good idea to have in your car, in your house. It's very sturdy, very good safe. Only problem is, if everyone has known, these kryptonite locks with these type of locks have been getting broken into with a pen, with a big pen. That's it. So I tried it out. So this is a working safe. All right. It locks. Everything works on it. Pops open like it's supposed to. So it doesn't take much work. Stick the pen in. To pop it open. So I'm holding the camera right now, so I only would have one hand. But you saw how easy it was to do it. Just using one hand. There you go. And then your firearm is no longer safe. That easy. That easy. Doesn't matter you bolt it down. Doesn't matter what you do to it. It's a working safe. The GunVault MiniVault standard. I wanted to do this video because I wanted to warn everybody that owns this, so that you didn't become reliant on it. Alright? I'm not doing this to train anybody on how to break in, because if anybody wanted to learn how to do it, if anybody's a thief, they're going to figure it out anyway. This is to warn all the owners and gun owners, responsible gun owners, and how easy it is to break into this. Okay? Please comment below if you are an owner. We gotta let MiniVault know that we're gonna need a different type of lock, or if they can do a recall to replace this lock, because now this has become a big problem. It's too easy with a 10-cent pen.